as the world searches for safer battery solutions. As R&D meets the limits of manufacturing processes, we choose not to stand still, but to respond with action and with answers. In 2025, Boyee took its solutions to every meaningful encounter. From Japan and South Korea to Europe, North America, and Hong Kong, we brought customized battery material production line solutions and advanced nano grinding and dispersion technologies to international exhibitions, embedding China's engineering-driven solutions into the core of global manufacturing. 36 breakthroughs defined our year, from the delivery of a full-process oxide solid-state electrolyte production line to the launch of new equipment, including dry bead mills, vertical all-ceramic bead mills, and high-speed mixers, from overcoming critical bottleneck challenges in single-wall carbon nanotube equipment and production line solutions to securing 8 intellectual property rights. We strengthened our competitive edge through real technological capability by contributing to industry standards and achieving ISO certification. We help bring greater certainty to the future of the industry through standardization. Strategic moves made for the long term. We established China's first open-access oxide solid-state electrolyte pilot line for customers, creating a shared R&D platform. We appointed global advisors to advance our strategy of globalized technology, localized service. Through university-industry collaboration bases, we connected the full innovation chain from research and development to application and industrialization. The highlights of this year were never achieved alone. They are reflected in the successful commissioning of a UV ink mass production line for a customer in Vietnam, in letters of commendation from conductive slurry manufacturers, in the focused work of teams overcoming sulfide material challenges in the lab, and in the unwavering commitment of every Boyee team member, working side by side with our customers towards shared goals. As we bid farewell to 2025, what we leave behind is far more than numbers. It is the relentless innovation of engineers and technologists, continuously reshaping the way people live and forging a truly remarkable chapter of Made in China excellence. In 2026, the answers are still being written. We look forward to moving ahead with you, to shaping the next generation of a safer and more reliable future.